All the praises are due to Allah, who is the creator of all creations. We send blessings and salutations upon Messenger Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The honorable guests, community scholars, respected teachers, and my dear friends and brothers, I welcome all of you with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank the authority and chairman of this program for amazing program. This kind of program will increase our communication skills, will increase our public speaking skills, will increase our capability to preach the religion, will increase our strength, will increase our strength to spread Islam all around the world. I will again thank the authority and chairman of this program for selecting me and giving me the opportunity to speak in this beautiful program. Dear audience, this is a historical moment for me. This is a proud moment for me because today I am giving a speech in English. I'm so grateful to Allah and I'm thankful to Madrasatul Imama and all the teachers of Madrasatul Imama. They have taught me how to speak English. They have trained me how to give lectures in English and Bangla.
হয়েছে